One of our differentiators to our competitors, whether they're multi-strat hedge funds or other fund of funds, is we try to be very thematic and try to develop our own views on where there's inefficiency in market, where there's opportunity, how we can position ourselves for the best risk reward. It's great in theory to develop those themes and views, but then you have to implement it through position sizing or concentration that allows you to achieve better risk reward. So that's another area we think we excel at, or at least attempt to excel at, is concentrating our risk in our top 3 to 5 themes. When you look at many of our competitors or multi-strategy funds or other fund of funds, they tend to be more diversified. And then last but not least is we tend to be fairly dynamic. What would surprise a lot of people is if you looked at multi-strategy hedge funds, they actually don't turn the portfolio over that often. In our case, we tend to turn over 40% of the portfolio per year. Sometimes it's a little bit more, like late 15, early 16. Sometimes it's a little bit less, like the last six or 8 months. But being thematic, appropriately concentrated, and dynamic, we think are 3 of our big value adds for clients.
All investments are subject to risk, including the possible loss of the money you invest. For more information about SkyBridge Multi-Advisor Hedge Fund Portfolios Series G and the SkyBridge G2 Fund, call 1-888-759-2730 to obtain a prospectus. Investment objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and other important information about a fund are contained in the prospectus. Read and consider it carefully before investing. This webcast is for educational purposes only. We recommend that you consult a professional advisor about your individual situation.